Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I love tuna, I love pasta, and I love creamy dishes. Put them all together and you get this, a super delicious tuna Alfredo fettuccine. And the great thing is you can put this together in under 30 minutes, great midweek meal, and you're gonna love it, so let me walk you through this. So what I've got here, guys, are a couple of servings of some fettuccine noodles, and I'm just gonna drop them into some salted boiling water. We're going to cook these for, I'd say about 9 minutes. Okay, about 3 minutes before our pasta is done, I'm going to add a good knob of butter to a preheated pan, and we're just going to let this melt down. Add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'm just going to let this saute, I'd say for about a minute or two, just until it becomes fragrant and that wonderful aroma fills the air. After that, a cup and a half of table cream. Now I'm using table cream, but you can use heavy cream as well. Now I'm just going to give this a stir and we'll bring this to a boil. Okay, after a boil, I'm going to add in half a cup of Parmesan. Smells so good. I'm going to give this a stir until it's well combined. Alright, now let's put the cooked fettuccine in. 120 grams of drain light tuna. And this is just the stuff in the can, but believe me, it is good. And of course, a recipe wouldn't be a recipe without some salt. And again, my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. I'm just going to give this a toss until everything is nicely combined. I'm going to say this again, guys. My goodness, this smells so good. Now we're going to kill the heat, and you're good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and plate this up. Of course, spoon some of that ever so delicious sauce over the top. Garnish it up with some parsley, just to give it that green effect. And there you have it, guys, our tuna Alfredo fettuccine. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Absolutely delicious, guys. The Parmesan comes through, the noodles are cooked perfectly, the tuna, and the cream. The cream is sensational. You gotta try this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.